Hey, it's Greg Thomas. It's time for B101.7's Pet of the Week. Woo! With the Humane Society West Alabama introducing the kitty named Star. Meow! Look at me, my long hair. The tortoiseshell kitty. Yeah, she's the pet of the week. And as the Humane Society writes, according to Disney, when you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Star could be your dream come true. Ho ho! Woo! Let's go meet the kitty. Hey, kitty, meow meow. What's going on? Why am I talking like Mickey Mouse? Hey. Here's this guy that was in the window when I first walked up, cleaning your tail. Hey, hey, whoa. Surprised you. It's like, what? Where'd you come from? I'm right here. You ready to play? You slap at my hand. And then you have you over there. Oh, uh-oh. Well, it's a first with Pet of the Week. Our featured pet already adopted, just happened. That's great news. But while we're here, there are so many other loving cats looking for a home, from kittens to seniors, from more active to calm, different colors. Like, look back there, let's feature, yo, Wendy. Here she is. Let's go ahead and make her a Pet of the Week.
Come here, talk to me. Come here.
Yeah, is that right? You want to be Pet of the Week? Meow, meow. Wow, that was quite a meow. Meow, it was. You talk too. That's pretty cool.
Just dinner plates.
Look at you, aren't you just such a cute little kitty, aren't you? Yeah, you like to be pet, don't you? Look at that white coat. Yeah. Wendy is 11 years old, up to date on her shots, and available. Looking for a home? Isn't that right? You're just staring me down. There she is, Wendy, our Pet of the Week. Available now from the Humane Society of West Alabama. Learn more at b1017online.com or humanesocietyofwa.org. And subscribe to B101.7 on YouTube for all the latest updates. I'm Greg Thomas. Thanks for checking out this B101.7 Pet of the Week.